Hey everyone, this is Daniel with KC Splash. I wanted to show off our new MoFlow. Actually, we've had it for a year now, and we're actually the only ones in KC with this machine. And it's a 14 gallon per minute soft wash system, and it's fully metered. So it allows us to crank up the SH to full levels or higher percentages than somebody downstreaming. And we can remove stains on like stucco and then tough stains that have been on there for 30 years. And we upgraded from this 12 volt system right here. It's a 5 gallon per minute, and it's shot like 2 stories, and we would have to use a lift and all that. With this new guy, we could shoot from the ground, no lift. We're 5 times as faster, and our customers save money. So it's a win-win for both of us, and we got happy customers because we get in and out quick. So I'm gonna show some footage of this guy shooting on this building, us cleaning it. There is a night and day difference between what the competitors use and what we use, and I'm gonna show some montage of it, so take a look. I'm gonna show off the capabilities of this machine. So let's start it off. Here's the first level. Second level, third level, easy. And then we can go way above, so we can get 3-4 stories. And then on the rinsing, I could cover so much more than a 12 volt, and the coverage is so much better. So it allows us to do these commercial buildings like it's a cakewalk. So if you want commercial building cleaning, call KC Splash at 816-253-8462. Take care.